Today we'll be making matcha cake rolls. You'll need some measuring cups, a mixing bowl, a scale, a sieve, and all the ingredients that we'll go through right now. First, weigh out 40 grams of sugar. Then, weigh out 40 grams of sugar. Then, 80 grams of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of matcha powder to the flour. Thoroughly mix the flour and matcha powder together using a sieve. Do this several times for best results. Next, take 8 eggs and separate the yolk from the whites. Take 2 clean, dry bowls and 8 eggs. Separate the egg whites from the yolks. Make sure there's only egg whites in the bowl, no water or oil. Also, make sure that no yolks get in with the egg whites. Thoroughly beat the egg yolks. Add some of your sugar before you start beating. Once the mixture starts to bubble, add another third of the sugar. Beat the egg whites until they get to a foamy, bubbly consistency. You're not done mixing until you can tip the bowl upside down and not spill any. Add 40 grams of sugar to the egg yolks and beat thoroughly. Once you finish beating the egg yolks, now would be a good time to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the flour and matcha powder mixture to the egg yolks and stir. Stir with a spatula. Make sure to not stir in circles. Stir from the bottom up. Add 1/3 of the egg white mixture to the egg yolks and matcha powder. Once again, stirring from bottom to top. Once well mixed, combine everything in one bowl and stir again. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Make sure to get it in the corners. Pour out your mixture into the tray and disperse it evenly. Evenly distribute the mixture throughout the pan. And then, in order to remove as many bubbles as possible, shake the pan or drop it lightly onto the counter. Set a kitchen timer for 20 minutes and then bake. One way to check if it's done is to stick a toothpick in and see if any dough is stuck to the toothpick when you remove it. If there is any, it has to bake for a little bit longer. Take the cake out of the pan and put it on a tray. Remove the cake from the pan and put it on a tray to avoid condensation. To make the filling, you need cocoa powder, heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla. Mix 8 ounces of the heavy cream with 30 to 40 grams of sugar. Then, add just a little bit of cocoa powder. Beat the mixture thoroughly until light and fluffy. Once you finish the cream, make sure the matcha cake is all the way cooled off. Then, spread the cream over the cake. Try to get it as evenly distributed as possible. Now, for the last and most important step, it turns this regular matcha cake into a matcha cake roll. Carefully roll the cake up, cream side in so that it sticks together. When you're all finished, cut yourself a slice off and enjoy your hard work.